Hello, welcome to Fast App Show. Today I will be reviewing Fruitbird 2. Now there's very simple instructions there. You basically hit where you want to go. So the sound settings are simple: sound on or off, help, and about the game. So for example, see, you just click on the screen where you want to go. You collect the fruit and avoid the dynamite. It's a game you can play forever, really. But for your sake, and because this is a fast app review, I will not. So, if you hit a bomb, this is what happens. You obviously blow up, and you get a score. Then you go back to the main menu. Thank you for watching.